Sairam Swami Sir, this is Krishnan from the 1993 batch. I'm super delighted to send this video message to you on your 92nd birthday. I always remember your smiling face, your sense of humor, and the manner in which you made every one of us comfortable in your class. I also remember the wonderful conversation my father had with you when he visited the campus 6 months prior to my graduation. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the help that you've provided to me and making me so comfortable in your class. I just want to end by saying, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, Swami Sir. Happy birthday to you, Swami Sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful 92nd birthday, sir.
Many more happy returns of the day, KLN Swami Sir. Very, very happy that you are turning 92, and you are always young at age. And thank you so much for all the lots of love which you had showed during our days during Vrindavan. It's almost 27 years since we have met, but still the memories are very, very refreshing. And wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi. I think Kishore has taken up a great initiative in trying to put together various thoughts on KLN Swami Sir. I fondly remember KLN Sir from my college days between 1990 and 93. It has been a fantastic studentship under him, for the reason that there are very few people who are multilingual and are aware of multicultures, at the same time can get along with everybody. Nobody had any grouses on him nor his ability to teach. He was the best guru I have ever had in my life, and I don't think I will see anybody else to that extent. Thank you, sir, for being our guru, and we will forever remember you and forever continue to love you, and we wish the Almighty and Swami give you all the strength to live longer for grooming people like us. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Professor Dr. KLN. This is Dasarathi. I was your student in Vrindavan from 1990 to 1993. Having you as my teacher for English was the greatest blessing that I could have asked from God, and it's a blessing that I cherish till to date. The love for language that you inculcated in all of us stays even today. The definition of poetry that you used to tell us, it's an emotion recollected in tranquility, that stayed in my heart forever. And today I think it's a great blessing, and it's wonderful to have had you as our guru. And I pray to Lord to bless you with many, many more wonderful years, so that way we will all be blessed as well. Thank you, Professor Dr. KLN Swami, for inculcating the love of language in all of us, and it's a great blessing for all of us to have you as our guru. Namaskaram.
So, sir, our strict law, the way you used to interact with us, you made us feel very, very comfortable and just make us feel at home. Sir, my joke gani, my teach chese vidhanam gani, it was so wonderful for us. Sir, sir, the way you laugh, is so infectious. We just loved being with you and interacting with you, sir. We heard that you're doing really well. Sir, God bless you with wonderful health. May Swami bless all of us. Sir, andram bavannam, sir, my students andaru. In fact, nenu kuda US lo undevanni, sir, long time. Now I've relocated to Bangalore, but I still do a lot of back and forth because I have business in Dallas. Meer kuda US citizen and vinnan nenu. So, sir, wonderful interacting with you, sir. I hope to have a chat with you soon on the phone. But there's our little, way of kind of coming together to say hi to you, sir, and thank you again for, all that you did for your batch, sir. Sairam, sir.
Sairam, Dr. Kelan Swami, sir. This is Arun Kumar R from the 1993 Brindavan BCom batch. Wishing you a very happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. I currently live in London, but I'm based in Bangalore, and I just came to know from my friends that you are living in Bangalore currently, so if I get a chance, definitely I'll come and visit you. You are an inspiration, like most of my friends have told already. You are an inspiration to all of us, not only when we studied, but even today. And I can never forget your infectious smile or your childlike enthusiasm for all of us. And you had the most important quality I learned from you was the time you used to give to each one of us, and the respect with which you used to treat each one of us. Even though we were 16-year-olds, you still treated each of us with a lot of respect, which I tried to do in my life. And I can never ever forget the table tennis duels we have had. Still trying to play TT with a few of my office juniors and try to beat them. But stay healthy, sir. And my prayers to Swami to give you a long life and be happy always. Sairam.
Namaskaram, Dr. Kelan Swami sir. Pichai Bharadwaj here. Science batch 1990 to 93. I'm so delighted to talk to you over this video. நான் இங்கிலீஷ் எடுத்துகிட்டே ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அதில் அடிஷ்னல் இங்கிலீஷ் வேறு எடுக்க வேண்டிய அடுத்து. பட் யூ மேட் ஆல் த டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் டு மீ. யுவர் லவ் ஃபார் த லாங்குவேஜ், த வே தட் யூ take the classes is very, very inspirational. And couple of other things that I picked up from you is that you don't have to be a grim-faced Bhaktiman. You just need to be joyful. You just need to do the right thing. But enjoy and do it. And secondly, your zeal to do, zeal to play even at this age, whether it's carom, whether it's badminton, whether it's cricket, it's amazing, sir. And as everyone know, your laughter is infectious. You will continue to inspire us, sir. I pray to Swami to give you long, healthy life, so you could inspire many more students like us. Thank you so much, sir. Namaskarams.
A very warm Sairam Kelan Swami, sir. This is Kundan Rajrai from Darjeeling, remembering you with fond memories, reverence and respect. 20 plus down the years, we've changed, but you haven't. You still seem to be the same jolly, young man, if I may say so. We've all grown old. It's been many years, and hopefully we shall meet very soon. With Swami's wish.
Hi sir, this is Anantaramakrishnan, a calligraphist of our wisdom wall, belonging to the batch of 1990 to 1993. Well, I thank you, sir. I just triggered a bullet. All my friends are calling me, that is my batchmates are calling and sending me messages. And all these messages will be put in tact and sent to you. So you'll have to see a lot of messages, sir. It's tactic to you at this age. It's not an issue. We still feel that you are younger, because your tendered English that you gave us has been able to prove that we are doing our best in our life. Yes, sir. And apart from this, I thank you for the wisdom wall that was given gracefully by Sai Baba to us, Bhagwan Sai Baba. And I'm very thankful to you. You know why? Because somehow I got selected into the wisdom wall. Whenever I write something, it has to be reviewed by yourself and Mr. Anik Luma and passed on to Mr. Gautam Dutt. Then he relieves it and it's going to be put as a greeting message to Sai Baba, and he humbly signs it and says, "Thank you, boys. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great opportunity you provided to give a great darshan." And apart from that, all my friends don't know your number. I'm going to pass on the number to them. They'll be calling you quite often to keep you more young and nurtured. Your English is really great, sir. And the punishment you gave was only one thing, walking up and down the gallery. I know it, sir. And throw chalks. You never miss a chance on that. And our friends are really there as brothers to take care of us. And I have no more words. See, this is my diary. A lot of words and quotations in it, but I quite often use it where I speak my English. And nothing more to you, sir. I want to nurture your life through our blessings and through God's wishes. You will live more, and we will be coming in always in contact with you, sir. I just told my friends, I talked to Kailan Swami sir twice, but you never called anybody. That's a problem, sir. But I'm going to send my number. They'll be calling and disturbing you quite often. It's not for disturbance, sir, for you to keep active. That's all, sir. I have nothing more to say. I thank you very much for your great contribution to Sri Satya Sai University and our beloved friends and my brothers, whatever it is. It's a 1993 batchmate, sir, Anand Ramakrishnan from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I hope you will collect all this call, because Kuntala Kishore told, by Sunday I want Ananta's voice. He's commanding me a lot, sir. I don't know what to say. So that's what I'm telling you. A lot of work, but it's not an issue. But I took my time. It's a privileged time. You can listen to my voice. Your English is always with us, sir. Thank you, sir. And your multilingual, it's great, sir. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, English, Hindi, whatever languages. I don't know, sir. You know more. You know more. Thank you, sir. I don't know what our friends are going to comment on me. Thank you, sir. Shall I give the phone, sir? Thank you, sir. And you should call me, sir. I'll tell them about your whatever it is. I'll tell my friends. Whenever call me, I'll call them and I'll tell them or pass on the message to them. You're always there to help you, sir. Most of them are in Bangalore. Most of your students are in Bangalore. Most of your children are in Bangalore. Most of my seniors are in Bangalore. It's not an issue. We are always there to be with you, sir. Just tell us the address. We'll come and meet you, sir. Thank you, sir. Nothing more, sir. Have a happy day forever, sir. Happy life forever, sir. You will live forever in our hearts. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Sai Ram Kailan Swami, sir. Our professor and beloved teacher. I am Shyam. I was from the 1990-93 batch of Vrindavan. And I want to convey very happy birthday wishes for you on your 92nd birthday. It's been a pleasure having you as a professor and teacher. You've given a great inspiration for all of us, sir. I wish you a long life, fulfilling, happy and very blessed life. Thanks for all your blessings. Jai Sai.
Hello, Dr. Swami, sir. I don't know whether you remember me, Sundara Rajagopal. I was a student of yours from 1990 to 93. Lot of learnings from you, and I was blessed to have a teacher like you. You encouraged us to pick up English and love for the language, but even more importantly, I think generally love. There's a lot that I've learned from you, from how you approach the students, how you patiently listen to us, how you encouraged me for the shots I played on the cricket field, and just in general, how you move around with people and set an example. I mean, it took a while for me to realize how much I've learned from you and how much I've cherished those times that we spent with you. Thank you very much for everything, and God bless you, and thanks again. Thank you.
Sai Ram sir, romba sandosham to meet you in digital form. Virtual meeting la ungala indha madiri ungalku ungalude கடந்த காலங்களை நினைவு கூறுறதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். Very happy, sir. Actually, we are pretty envious of you because of your energy and the way you are spending your time. Fantastic, sir. along with English, you are also an inspiration how to have this life. I'm actually pretty nostalgic when I actually even think of you. So many wonderful moments we had during additional English class, even for all these dramas and all those things. Fantastic, sir. We pray, Swami, that He gives you all mental comfort and physical comfort, mental satisfaction. Thanks, sir. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Swami sir. This is Sai Surya Narayana from the 93 batch of BCom Brindavan campus. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. You have been one of the finest gurus and teacher who has inspired hope, ignited the imagination, and instilled an energy for higher learning in all the students. We are today what we are because of great gurus like you. You've taught us to have a great command over the subject and to be a huge success in life. You taught us never to give up. And if I were to use a Hindi phrase, Jo mil gaya wo mukam kaisa, Jo mil gaya wo mukam kaisa, Jo chhu hi liya to chand kaisa. Thank you very much for everything that you have done for all of us, and wishing you all happiness, good health, and we hope to meet you very soon. And when we meet you, I'm keen to hear from you two instances. The first few sessions, you had mentioned that you were a chain smoker before you came to the lotus feet of Swami. That's one. We would want to hear more from you about that. And also the $1 billion smile. I'm sure you would have many of the girls swooning over you in your youthful days. Sai Ram and best wishes.
Sai Ram Kelen Swami sir. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு உங்களோட பேசுறதுக்கு. I'm Raja from 91 to 93 Vrindavan Science Batch. We last met during 1996 for your daughter's US visa processing. Hope you remember that. Extremely blessed to be your student, sir. May God give you a good health and keep you happy always. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, dear Professor KLN Swami sir. Wishing you a happy birthday belated, having turned 92 on December 2nd. You have been an inspiration for generations of students of Swami's Institute, and you have been motivating the youngsters and the old alike, because I have seen you addressing our devotees in Prashanti Nilayam, and with the rapt attention they listen to all your anecdotes. You mix well with all, whether it may be children. I have seen you playing with the children, where you stay in Prashanti in the flat outside, and how the children go around you and around you. So you cross all sorts of age barriers when you mix, and you correlate very well with all, whether it may be students or professionals or children or old people. And you are an avid cook, and I came to know about this when I visited you several times when you were staying here outside, and I never knew that you were such a good cook and energetic. You got that wonderful smile of yours, which is really something amazing. I don't know in what words I can describe your qualities, the way you have impressed upon us, all your students. When we talk of you, we talk with so much of energy, zeal, enthusiasm. We feel so happy that we are talking about our dear professor. And you have taken care of students. You have been the director of Brindavan campus for several years. You have had a wonderful relation with Swami, and you have taught in Odisha also. Your language control is wonderful. You are multilingual. You speak very well Tamil, Telugu, Odia, Kannada, English, Hindi. So I don't know in what way Swami has blessed you in great many ways, and you have had a very good relation with everyone, all the staff, all the students, and you are spending your time wonderfully. and I know how much you love to be in Prashanti. Hope things open up a bit more so that we can meet again here, and so that you can feel more at home. And one more thing I wanted to say to everyone who will be watching this is, you have been so punctual when you come to the mandir. You have attended all the Veda sessions. You have been attending each and every morning Veda sessions when you have been here. And you have been reading the Vedas, sitting in the chair. It's such a great inspiration for all of us. And you are a very good singer also. You are a very good bhajan singer. I know that also. So really, we wish you all the best, and we wish that you continue to be with us for many more years to come. Sai Ram, sir.
That we ever cherish. I pray Swami to give a long life, a smiling life. Thank you.